Hello friends. Well, I'm out here at the range, and to say that I am not an electrician is an understatement. It's also an understatement to say that I am not a solar tech. But our last solar tech, not a solar tech, and our last not an electrician, didn't tie one of our solar panels for our trickle charger here for our 5-stand batteries down correctly up on the roof, or all the way, I guess. He missed a couple of screws putting it in the roof there. So that last bad windstorm came through and it blew it off. Now here's what it kind of looks like as when it came from the factory. It's got this deal here that the wires run into, and they're soldered on down there, and under this, I think they built that around it with some sort of epoxy. Well, anyway, it ripped off of this panel, the one that blew off. So I couldn't figure out how to build that around the epoxy, so I tried soldering it down, and of course my soldering is terrible. And hey, JB Weld splashed some of that on there to hold it. And now, I guess the moment of truth. I got it halfway kind of rigged up, wired together, and once I plug that plug into that plug, then that little light should come on, meaning that there's battery or power going to these batteries. So let's see if my not electrician stuff pays off here. You're gonna have to set the phone down because I'm pretty sure I can't do this with one hand, and I don't know if y'all can see anything there or not. But anyway, y'all just hang tight, and let's see. I'll flip this thing over in the sun. Well, let's do that first. Y'all flip this guy over in the sun because he's supposed to be hot the minute it gets sun on it. So anyway, here we go. One more time. Set that down. I don't know if y'all can see anything there or not, but y'all can hear me. My lovely voice. It grates on some people's nerves, most people's nerves, I guess. I don't know. But anyhow, here we go. Let's see if I can electrocute myself. Keep them wires apart because I'm going to do some more work here in a little bit if this test goes right. I need a little bit more room, so I've got to slide this over. I don't quite have enough cable. Story of my life. But anyway, here we go. Let's see. Ha ha! Okay, keep that wires apart. Check it out. All right. So, we got it flipped over. We got the El Cheapo rigged up repair there. Coming up the wire. Ignore this mess because I'm gonna neaten that up. Hit a little bit. Ta-da! We got a light on. And watch that light. I'm gonna unplug it. One plugger. No more light. So I guess it's working. Next up, to the roof and wire everything together. So my little redneck repair worked. How about that? Gonna neaten everything up with some actual connectors, crimp and stuff like that, and get our stuff charging again. Y'all have fun out there.